What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. We are at the gas station getting the full tank of E85 today because we are actually going to be rolling out to the opposite end of Houston to go meet up with Cars Across Texas VR car meet and hopefully show you guys some awesome cars. And this is why I love E85, guys. We were pretty much on empty, had maybe about a gallon and a half left, and filled up this whole car with only $28. I believe it's $1.62 or something like that. God, you gotta love the performance and the cheaper price. We got our hand sanitizer, we've got our mask, got a full tank of gas, so we are ready to roll out to the Cars Across Texas meet. We got here literally 9 minutes after it's supposed to start, and it is already nuts. Got the Supras rolling in. Alright. Looking sick as hell. Alright, guys, we are here. Didn't get to park with the VIPs since we didn't RSVP. There are a bunch of nice cars out here, so definitely gonna get to show you guys around all the awesome cars that we have. Start off with all the classics here. Check this out. Guys, check out this Camaro. Beautiful setup here, and it's even got an LSA. Grabber Lime Mustang, Big BTV. That is legit. Full carbon fiber GT350, guys, and I mean everything from fenders, bumper, doors, rear, roof. Whole thing is carbon fiber, and it's got a nice Whipple to match. That is crazy. This ain't no wrap, guys. Full carbon everywhere. check this guys out. Chiron Sport. Not just any regular Chiron, the Chiron Sport, and the matte with the blue right next to Sinclair's blue and black. Looking good. Check this thing out. This is sick. Performante Spider. Check this out. Jeez. Let's see, Performante. All the forged carbon. Beautiful, beautiful spec. So guys, that's just some of the cars. There is a bunch of cars out here. I mean, check out that chrome GTR. I mean, there's awesome, all kinds of cars. The whole parking lot down that way, all across this way, and back over there, and even all the way up to the street on that side is nothing but cars. Been a while since we had come to one of these car meets, since the whole COVID thing, but you know, with the right protection, we're able to come out here and show you guys some of the awesome cars that are out here. Like this C8 with the graphics package there, looking pretty cool. And the rev battles begin. Check out the Rolls Royce. Well guys, it's getting late. There was a bunch of cars out here, but I think it's time for us to head home. But before we do that, we'll take one last drive around and have some fun. Alright guys, let's roll out. But before we roll out, I want to show you guys some of the cruising MPGs that we got on the way over here. 17.3, and that's with us idling here, revving it and all that good stuff. Alright, well guys, we can put the two-step on these people. Well guys, we made it home, and let's see, for those of you guys that care about fuel mileage, we went about almost 100 miles, I'd say 90 miles or so, and average fuel economy was 17 miles per gallon. 17, and that included the revs and just the driving around idle at the parking lot. For a car that can run 9s at the track, I'd say that is pretty damn good. Well, just like that, guys, we are back home, and I hope you guys enjoyed that content. Lots of crazy cars out there, from, you know, just muscle cars, supercars, to even some exotics like that Chiron Sport, which is crazy. But overall, was a great time out there. If you guys haven't followed Cars Across Texas channel, make sure you go to his channel and check it out. I'll put a link to the description down below, although you probably have, because he's much bigger than I am. But anyways, he had a really great meet, so can't thank him enough for hosting everything. And the meet was great. Lots of awesome cars, no issues, and it's a little far drive for me, but it's definitely worth it. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.